Hi guys, your boy Richard here. Today I'm gonna review Done For You services program offered by Wesley Virgin. This program is a Done For You program services that will help you to make money online, especially now in this particular economic pandemic meltdown. And I believe everybody is looking for ways to help support their families and get extra income online. Now, why I'm reviewing this Done For You program offered by Wesley Virgin is because Wesley Virgin is a brand name online in the online business market industry, and I believe everybody you probably have come across his program once in a while, thereabouts, or heard his name flimsily, or one of those videos he shoots about, how he's making money, how he's changing lives, with all these cars and everything. But this is not about that. When I started hearing about this guy, I googled him, I checked him out. What he's doing to me, it was a little bit flashy. Don't get me wrong, but as time goes on, I start studying about what he's doing, how far he's come. I actually come to like him. You see, it's all about humbleness, and what he's doing with this program, guys, is it's a complete done for you. What this means is you don't have to do anything. He's doing it for you. That's what it is. Number one, affiliate reviews, how to make $500 per day online with a simple two-step system, even if you have zero experience. There's this lady here. He mentioned, he brought her up and trained her up, and then they partnered, and they become really big into this particular Done For You program. I think this is one part of his business that he's using to help other people. But what differentiates this from every other online or affiliate marketing program I've seen or come across on the internet is because he's actually doing it for you. You don't have to do anything. So all you have to do is get registered to this program, all right? And then he will do it for you. You see, it's done for what the name is, Done For You services. That's what he's doing. That's why I'm trying to review this on my mobile phone. As you can see, I'm just scrolling up and down on my mobile phone, and also show you what this program is all about. Now, you can see some people already are making money online. As you can see, daily sales from who has benefited from this particular program. And then if you can see, a lot of people already on it. A lot of people already jumping on it, and then making money. Now, what you're gonna get is in the Done For You training. This particular training is free. By the way, the training is free. You join this training, I get the basic trainings, and then if you want him to do it for you, and then that's where you have to pay a little bit of money. But this is not compulsory, guys. What I'm trying to do here is get this free trainings. Register here now. Click this button below. Register here now. Get this free. Get this free training. If you click the link below this video, you should be able to get into this program and get registered for free and get a training if you like. What you get is they will teach you create a website lander for you, a sales soon as later. They will choose a high converting domain that boosts your sales. They will create your Facebook ad to see your commission coming in. Creating ads for Facebook, of course, is a pain in the backside, but guys, these guys will do it for you completely free, and they use a parameter that is already working for them. Okay, they will do all the techies for you, so you can start earning up to £10,000 a month. Who wouldn't wonder? You can discover how to earn your first $1,000 right in the training. That means right in the training, you are not even paid for anything, but you can use what you get in the training to actually start earning money. The rest he will explain to you. See, all you have to do is just click. These are the statistics of what's been going on, and you can see people are joining. People are joining really. This is one of the students that went through, and on their first sale they made nearly $3,000. You can generate 1,000. You see, this is just showing you what this program does, and then how you can benefit from that. Let me quickly go down and show you that these are the testimonies from the students, from the current students. People are actually participating. Let me just play that quickly for you.
Hey guys, my name's Brittany. So the reason I'm making this video is because Ariella and Wesley and the team asked me to kind of update you guys on my progress. I'm a new student of the Done For You Services program. I bought that service, and the process has been really, really simple, and all it's taken is to get with people in the group who've been really helpful, and of course the administrators have been super helpful as well. I was able to run a video views campaign. I got started a little late, so mine may have taken longer, but then once I got started on my conversion campaign, when I went to bed that night, I woke up in the morning and I had my first sale. So I really, really love and believe in this program for internet marketing. Wesley's program is going to apply to all the different ways to make money online, no matter what it is that you want to do. I wanted to make this video saying thank you so much because, yeah, it's my first online sale, and I haven't had experience with internet marketing since I was a lot younger, and the Done For You services just made it really, really easy, and the team's been really helpful. So thank you so much, guys. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to hearing how everyone is doing during their program too.
Guys, as you can see, this is coming from one of the students there. I still have 1 or 2, 3 videos out there. Due to time, I would want to waste your time anyway, but what I'm trying to show you is you can actually get started on this and then experiment it yourself. I myself, I got involved in this as well, because what I present, I actually test them, and following this training step by step is really, really great. I'm using organic traffic method on Facebook, of course, speaking to people, relating to people, and then getting people on board, and it is actually working. Yes, it's not something, it's not a get rich quick scheme, guys. Don't expect to get rich quick overnight or become rich like Wesley himself, but this works if you put your practice, if you put the time and effort. And that is what online business is all about. You have to build and build and build. But the most advantage of this particular program is because it has proven strategy, step by step, done for you process. So all these things have been done for you, so you have to join in. Now they are taking a limited 100 people on the website, so I will jump onto this if I were you. Secure your seat. The training is free. You don't have to pay for anything for these guys. Just click the link below this video and jump in. A lot of people are hopping in already, so once it is 100 people, I think they close the door, and then the next batch will be, I don't know how long that's gonna be, but what I mean is this is a great opportunity, especially now that people are losing their job. Come on, I have a lot of people in England here that's lost their job. I know a lot of friends that already lost their job. I mean, I've spoken to my friends. Most of them are getting on board this on this particular program, and not particularly this, but majority of this and the other program I review. Because if you don't do something, nothing will change. If you want change will happen when you start make changes yourself. You see, there's no best time to start actually making money online. It's just now. The more time you wait, the more time you're gonna waste, and every day you're gonna wake up and you still be in the same position you are of yesterday, last year. But if you want to make that change, now is opportunity to take the step. So what I'm trying to do this review, guys, is just to show you what is possible and what's not possible out there. For example, what is not possible out there is get rich quick scheme, guys. It's not possible. You cannot make money online automatically without putting the work in. But there are a lot of programs out there that will help you to do that. But for example, this particular training here is about done for you. Done for you. That means you get into this program, you register for the training, you get a basic training on how done for you works. If it's something that you want, you go for it. If not, there is opportunity to actually make $1,000 just for attending, just using this free training. The things you learn from this particular free training will enable you to make $1,000 if you follow the step by step. Now, if you want to make up to $10,000 a month, then you have to actually get the done for you program to work for you, and that's how you can be able to be in the same position. And every day, like this lady said, step by step, she went to work, she did a conversion training. Conversion training, guys, if you don't know what conversion is, for example, is traffic. I'm not paying for anything, it's traffic. How to get traffic, guys. So to your offer. So once this is done, she went to bed and woke up in the morning and made her first sale. That first sale could be $1,000, could be $500, it depends. So, but this is particularly what's working, and the average is $600. You can see average is $600. There is another one here for $2,000. So it's a no-brainer, guys. You're not paying for the training. Just click the link below and grab the training, and then participate and see what it look like, guys. Okay. And thank you so much for watching. Please, for watching. Please don't forget to like and share so that I can be able to produce more videos like this for you, and also continue to provide you with more valuable content that will enable you to make an informed decision. Nobody's forcing you to buy or sell anything, but to help you make an informed decision to move forward, most especially to change the circumstances of this particular economic meltdown caused by coronavirus. I don't even know what the name is anymore. Guys, you must forgive me there, but truly is affecting everybody. Number one, affiliate reviews how to make 500 per day online with 2 simple steps by step, even if you have 0 experience. This is no brainer. You're not paying for this. Just register for free with your simple email and then go for it. The link below is give you access directly for free. Okay guys, thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye bye.